Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Canva to make videos for your YouTube channel. Are you looking for a guide on how to use Canva to make YouTube videos for your YouTube channel? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in canva.com. You should do this and sign up for a Canva account. It's free. Um, on the free version, you have a lot of things you can use already, but if you see stuff that if you see assets or templates that have like a crown, a small yellow crown on the lower right corner, that is Canva Pro, like this type of crown, right? Canva Pro, there's so many. I almost cursed. There's so many things that is locked behind Canva Pro, and as you can see here, 100 million plus premium photos, videos, and elements, 3,000 plus premium fonts, 610,000 plus premium templates, create with ease thanks to magic resize, background remover, and premium animation. You know what? I think I should get Canva Pro. Stay organized with brand kits, content planner, and 1 terabyte storage. Cancel at any time, which is pretty good. It will remind you 7 days before your trial ends. So you get 30 days free trial, I think. And if you want to learn about Canva Pro's pricing, just click on this like like menu over here. So Canva Pro, let's click on this. As you can see here, Canva Pro creates stunning designs in no time with unlimited access to premium content, more power design tools, and AI-powered magic. Yes, you heard that right. What's included with Pro? If you're working solo like me, I'm a freelancer. Increase your productivity, manage your brand, and build your business with Canva. Start your free trial today. Uh, the plan includes docs, whiteboards, presentations, social, video, print, websites, and a lot more. And as you can see here, it's either yearly, monthly, or yearly. Right? If you go to monthly, it's $299, $300. This is Philippine pesos because we're in the Philippines. I think that's around $5.50 per month, which is a steal in my opinion. $5.50 US. That is very expensive. I mean, very affordable. And if you go to like uh, yearly, you only pay 24, almost 2,500 pesos, which is 55 bucks, right? So it's 1 year, right? It says here for individual solopreneurs, I don't know if that's a word now, and freelance designers who want unlimited access to premium content to create professional designs with ease and scale their productivity for one person only. And again, this is for one person. If you want to do this, there is a team, right? Um, yeah, as you get more AI powered design tools, Magic Eraser, Magic Write, Beat Sync, and more. So if you wanna, if you're an agency, or you're a small business, there is teams for teams. So this is um, for people who have a business and a small budget and a budget, right? So now let's go to video. Let's see if we could type YouTube video. Is there such a thing? Yes, there is. YouTube live stream video, YouTube video ads, YouTube video introduction, YouTube video chapter. Let's check this out because I don't know what this is. Video chapters. So what are these? Oh, so it's just literally chapters. So let's just go back to Canva and let's click on videos right over here. And video templates, as you can see, there's a lot. You have mobile videos, but we want TikTok videos. We want videos. So let's click on videos because we're not doing the TikTok or Instagram Reel thing. As you can see here, create an animation to create full control of how each element moves in your design with create an animation. So you don't need, like, it's very easy to do. You don't need to have a degree or have years of experience with like animation software. Canva is going to help you with that. As you can see here, you can create a blank video using this. Like if you have like assets like raw footage, raw photos, music, voiceovers, you can do it by yourself. Or here's the thing, you can just, you know, do stuff on your own. So let's click on this blue illustration vlog YouTube. Let's check this out. And yeah, let's customize this template. It's gonna open a new tab. And as you can see, it runs. Yeah. Let's play. Actually, no, let's play from the start. As you see, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, you could add more, you know. Um there's a lot of things here you can do, to be honest. Like, or again, you can start from scratch and just add templates like these to your YouTube video, for your YouTube channel. And the thing about doing YouTube channels is like you need to find the right design, the right theme that matches your brand. You can't just say you're a nature YouTube channel, right? About nature, and you use like, you know, something like something like this that's like a film, black and white. It doesn't work. You're gonna lose your audience. So, and as you can see, you have black and white old movie style subtitles here. You have videos for birthdays, uh, all about me slides. So for vlogging, or this is for like real estate blog, um, art and design. This is your beautiful memories, page vintage paper family. So like, there's a lot of things you can do with Canva. To be honest, uh, this is for a gaming channel. For an intro, let's click this one. And as you can see, this is like for a live stream, right? Yeah. Let's see if we can customize that. I don't know how to customize this because I haven't really tried this out before. Also, you can't wait. What? Okay, so yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a lot of things that you can do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.